How to fix taskbar pinned icons not showing in Windows 11. Hello friends, after you restart or start your computer, you find that pinned icons on taskbar suddenly disappeared. This is an unexpected issue. Follow the steps to fix it. There are two scenarios when this issue occurs. The taskbar pinned icons may disappear due to temporary glitch in Windows Explorer, or it may be configuration related issue. We will describe the solution for both the cases, so follow those steps. The first one is, if the issue is temporary, then restart Windows Explorer. For this, right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, look for Windows Explorer in the processes list, this one, right click on this process and select Restart. The next method is rebuild icon cache. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, then go to the video description to find some commands. You will find these commands in the video description. To rebuild icon cache, you will have to run these commands. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Then copy the second line of command, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Copy the third line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Last line, copy, paste, enter. Now check if the icons came back. If the issue still persists, reset the taskbar pins. For this, right click on Start, select Run. Again, go to the video description and copy this path. Paste into the Run dialog box and click on OK. Delete all the items here. Select the items and click on Delete. Then close the folder and launch the registry editor. Click on Search, type registry, click on registry editor, go to H key current user, expand it by clicking on this arrow, then expand software, this one, then Microsoft, then go to Windows and expand it, go to current version, look for Explorer, this one, expand this key, then look for Taskband, this one, right click on this key and select export, give the file a name and click on save. The backup of this registry key is saved on your computer. Now delete this key. Right click and select delete. Then close the registry editor, restart your computer and then pin the items again. Pin your apps as they were pinned to taskbar. The issue should be fixed now. If the issue still occurs, then there may be configuration related problem. To fix this, you will have to perform in place upgrade so that every element of the Windows is repaired. So open a browser, type Windows 11 download in the address bar, click on the link which says download Windows 11, go down in this page, and reach download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section. Click on select download and select this option if your device is x64 based. If your device is ARM64 based, you can click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now select the product language. If you are in any doubt about the product language of your Windows, then you can check it. Click on start settings, time and language, language and region. This will be the product language, Windows display language, English United States for me. Check yours and select the language. Click on confirm. Finally, click on 64-bit download. This will download the ISO file. Let the downloading complete. Once completed, click on the File Explorer icon. Go to the download location, which is generally the downloads folder. Right click on the just downloaded ISO file and select mount. A security warning pop-up will appear in a while. This one, click on open on this pop-up. Then open the setup, right click and open. If user account control appears, click on yes. The Windows 11 setup will load. I want to help make the installation better. When you leave this option checked, this will take much more time. So uncheck it. There is no need of this option. Then click on next. Click on accept on this window. No need to worry because your files and data will be safe during this process. After all, click on install. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 will be installed. The issue will be fixed and the taskbar icons reappear. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.